Welcome to the project demonstration of voice-based home automation along with RF remote control. So here we are going to control these electrical devices. One is a DC fan and AC bulb through the two-way inputs. One is voice command input through the Bluetooth module from your Android mobile phone and RF remote based home automation system. So if the person is unable to speak or if is unable to send the voice commands from the Android mobile phone, so by using this remote control we can control the bulb and fan directly, so within the RF region. So RF region is going to be the minimum of 10 to 20 meters and maximum 60 meters based on the surroundings and based on the wall reflections. So here we are going to send these commands like light on off. The red color switches are to control the light and blue color switches are fan on off. These commands will be encoded with the help of this HT12E, and after encode the data will be transmitted through this 433 MHz RF transmitter module, the red color chip, and the same data will be received by this 433 MHz RF receiver module, and it will send the data for decoding purpose to this HT12D. After decoding, same the 4 push buttons input data will be decoded to the 4 pins, and the same data is input to the microcontroller at A0, A1, A2, A3 pins. So based on the pin status, so if you press the switch, the respective pin will become the low, means 0 volts, otherwise it's 5 volt. So only this pin is 0 volts, remaining all are 5 volt. Then the same pin is connected to the A0 pin. Whenever the A0 pin is low, means 0 volts, then we need to on the bulb by oning of this electromagnetic relay. So means here the switching sequence is press the switch, then this will become the 0 and the controller will read that A0 as a 0, and then it will switch on this transistor on this relay board, and the transistor will switch on this electromagnetic relay, and the relay will switch on this bulb with 230 volts AC inputs. Same for the fan also on here. So let us assume that connected to the A2 pin, and when it's low, then the microcontroller will on this transistor and the transistor will on this DC fan, and the so-called device status continuously monitor on this LCD screen. Same for the voice command also. So here we have coded the voice commands like light on, light off, fan on, fan off. So these are the 4 voice commands, but we need to train that in our Android mobile phone. So here the power flow is for the transmitter section 9 volts battery, and for the receiver section 230 volts AC input. Before on that, power supply should be given to the transmitter remote, and then on the power supply to the receiver section, and then there will be welcome message on the LCD screen, voice and RF based home automation. As of now the 2 devices off state, that's why light off and light fan off will be displayed on the LCD. So initially this red light is continuously blinking on the HC05 Bluetooth module. So as of now there is no connection from the mobile phone to the Bluetooth module. So here we have connected this Bluetooth module at C6 C7 pin of our PIC16F73 microcontroller, and LCD interface at pin number B2 to B7, and this fan interface at the pin number C3, and C2 pin is connected to the bulb directly. So let us see the demonstration. After switch on the transmitter, switch on the power supply, the receiver, and now go to Bluetooth settings of your phone. Search for this HC05 in your mobile phone. On the Bluetooth, right, HC05 is coming now. So it will ask for the password. The password is 1234, right, pair. So after successful pair from this one, now installed application Arduino Blue Control. So this is the icon which is available in the Play Store. So I'm showing that icon, right? Okay. So after installing that, after pair from the settings only, this is only first time we need to pair from the settings. Otherwise next time onwards it will keep on showing in this history, right? We can see that now. Connect to the HC05. So after pair from the app, we can observe the blinking rate on this HC05 slow down. Right, now we need to configure the voice commands. Go to settings, last, voice command configuration. So here we need to configure the 4 voice commands. So voice command 1 is light on. Okay, type light on, all are small letters, click on OK, and the data to be sent is 1. So 1 light on. So command 2 is light OFF off, and command to be sent is 2. Same for command 3 is fan on. So data to be sent is 3. And the next, coming to the 4th command, so when I say fan off, it's not showing the fan OFF. See, so then I need to change that. Data to be sent is 4, right? So 1 and 2 on off the lights, 3 and 4 on off the fan. So after this configuration, so it's not blinking very fast. Now click on this voice control. Light on. Right. It will show that light on, and so-called status will be displayed on the LCD screen. Light off. Light off. Right, so if it is coming OFF, no need to worry about that, but it's not coming OFF, it will showing only OF. Then we need to change the voice command from the settings. Okay, fan on. So the fan got switched on, and so-called status displayed on the LCD screen. Fan off. See, now it's not coming the OFF. Fan off. So now I need to do the configuration in settings. Go to settings and voice commands configuration. 4th command is a fan off. So change that to single OF. Right. Data to be sent is to be 4 only. Now, right here, voice control. Fan off. Right. The fan is getting switched off. So in this manner we need to configure the voice commands. If you want to change AC fan, AC on, so like that we need to change the voice commands, but the data to be sent is 3, 4 for the fan, 1, 2 for the bulb. See, light on. So I switched on the light from the Bluetooth. I can off that from the remote. The light is off. Okay, so I can control the fan. I can off the fan from the voice command. Fan off. Right, the fan is off. Okay, so from the remote, light on, fan on, light off, fan off. We can see the status on the LCD also. So we can control the devices independent input from the RF remote and the Bluetooth input directly. So let us on light and fan, right, and let us off these devices from the Bluetooth mobile phone. Light off, fan off. Right, so in this manner we are going to control the home devices, the two-way inputs, Bluetooth voice commands and RF remote.